Hi everyone, my name is Janet and I am a health coach, and I like to do these videos to teach people healthy, easy cooking. Now I'm going to give a full disclosure immediately that the video I'm doing today is with a raw chicken, and I'm going to show you how to cook a whole chicken. A lot of people are really nervous about a whole chicken, and frankly the stores make it so easy for us to just buy parts. And I know a lot of you celebrate Thanksgiving, so of course you have full turkeys. So this will help you with the turkey. You could use exactly the same thing for a turkey. So this is my chicken. Now I got an organic free-range chicken from the market. I'm going to put him up here so you can see him. I'm going to bake him in this stoneware pot. You can see that I've had the pot for years, probably 15 years. I got it from Pampered Chef. And it cooks really evenly and beautifully. So this is the pot I wanted to use. You can put it in a roasting pan if you have that. So here's my chicken. And it's really simple, just a few ingredients. I have an onion. I'm gonna adjust my camera a little bit. And you're gonna take an onion, and the onion is for the center for aromatics to flavor your chicken. So you want to have a little bit of onion. This is a small onion, small chicken. So I'm going to use about a half of an onion, and you don't have to be fancy. And you're going to just put it right into the cavity, a couple pieces in there. All these things again that you put in are going to flavor. And I have garlic, the nice big garlic cube. I'm going to cut it in half. And all these guys are going to cook inside there. And again, flavor everything else. So it's going to smell wonderful and get that great flavor. Then I'm going to take another garlic clove, and I'm going to slice it really thinly. So I'm going to turn my camera so you can see exactly on the food what I'm doing to help you out a little bit so you can really do this at home. So here I have my garlic, and I'm going to slice it very thin. I'm going to do another garlic. You just pound on it like that and slice it very thin. I have fresh rosemary from the garden. I'm going to put a sprig or two inside here. And I have a carrot. I'm going to chunk up some pieces of carrot. So the garlic and onion are spicy. The rosemary is piney, and the carrot is sweet. So you're getting a lot of those different flavors that are going to flavor our meat of the bird. Now, this is a part that if you've never done it, might make you a little squeamish, but just walk on by and do it. So you just open it up like that, and I'm going to put my sliced garlic right in there. Then I'm going to do the same on the other side. I have a fresh lemon from a neighbor's tree, actually, which is pretty fun. I'm going to slice it pretty thin. And I'm going to put some of it right into the cavity. So again, we're getting all those flavors from inside here are going to cook and flavor up all this. Then you take your lemon, put it right on top of the garlic. And then I'll do the other side when I get off camera. And then a rosemary sprig. Okay. So you have all those flavors inside here. Now the ending is you're going to drizzle some olive oil. I have some Alfonso olive oil from our local Tucson artist here. I'm going to drizzle it with olive oil, salt, pepper, and I'm done. So it's very simple. Garlic, lemon, rosemary. You could use other citrus if you like. It just depends on what you want, what the flavors you want. This is a really basic one, I felt, and then I'm going to bake it in the oven for 350 for about 45 minutes. I hope you enjoy these videos as much as I enjoy making them for you. My name is Janet. I'm a health coach. And if you have any questions, please message me. I'd be happy to help you. I hope you're having a great day. Bye.